Hello everyone, this is Miss Chelsea and today we will be learning about forces in motion. We will also construct an argument from evidence to support the claim that the amount of force needed to accelerate an object is proportional to its mass. So, looking at inertia. So, what is Newton's second law of motion? The second law of motion states that the acceleration of an object depends on the mass of the object and the amount of force applied. There is a mathematical formula that backs up this relationship. Force equals mass times acceleration, or F equals ma. F for force, M for mass, and A for acceleration. Let's look at an example. When you go grocery shopping and you grab a grocery cart, it doesn't take a lot of force to push it through the store. The more groceries or mass you add to the cart, the more force you need to apply to it to get it to move. Now let's look at the other part of this equation, acceleration. An object's acceleration increases as the amount of force applied increases. The opposite effect also happens. The acceleration will decrease if the force decreases. That's why you have to exert more force to move an object quickly than you do to move it slowly. Imagine trying to push a small child on a swing, and then an adult with the same amount of force. What's going to happen and why? Well, a child has less mass than an adult. If you apply the same force to each, the child is going to be able to swing further because it has a higher acceleration than the adult. If you want them to go the same height, you would need to apply more force when pushing the adult, the one with more mass.